How to export video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here we got this video and we'd like to export it. And we have edited the video, we add the music and so on. So to export the video, the first we need to make sure that this video is saved just in order to re-edit the video later on. So we go here and click on File and then choose Save or even Save As. You can click just only Control and S and click on Save and the video has been saved. So far it's not exported. To export the video, click on File and then go down here and search for Export and then choose Media. Even you can click on Control M as a shortcut. So once you here click on this one, as you can see, you need to click on this one and change it to entire sequence. That means that the video will be exported the all in sequence. And then go here to format and change this one and make it H.264. That means MP4. And here if you click on this blue button, you may change the name of the video and choose who would like to export it, either desktop or specific file. So if you click save, so far it's not exported. You need to go down here and click on export, and once you do so, this should be appearing, and that means the video is getting exported. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.